Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now we discuss a unit membrane bound cell organelle, that is lysosome. Lysosomes, these are otherwise known as suicidal bags of the cell. It is other name for lysosomes because during starvation, by releasing various different types of enzymes, it leads to digestion of the cell organelles of the cell, ultimately leads to death of the cell. That's why lysosomes also called suicidal bags of the cell. Lysosomes, the first, it is reported and named by a scientist, that scientist name Christian D. Douay. First reported, and as well as for this unit membrane bound cell organelle for this structures, so he named as lysosome by a scientist, that scientist name Christian D. Douay. First, this scientist, Christian D. Douay scientist, reported unit membrane bound cell organelle in the eukaryotic cell and named as lysosomes by Christian D. Douay. Lysosomes, they are unit membrane bound cell organelle. Entire lysosome surrounded by only one membrane. That's why these are also called unit membrane bound cell organelle. So unit membrane bound cell organelle, the meaning entire structure, this lysosome, it is enclosed or surrounded by only one membrane. That's why it is also called unit membrane bound cell organelle. Unit membrane bound cell organelles, lysosome is there, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, microbodies, all these are surrounded by only one single membrane. Entire structure it is surrounded by only one single membrane. Lysosomes are these unit membrane bound structures. They play major role in intracellular digestion of the food particles. So these structures play important role intracellular digestion of the food particles, that is under control of lysosomes. That's why these play important role in intracellular digestion. So once you will see origin of this one, once we observe how lysosomes are produced. Lysosomes, the origin, so they are produced or formed from Golgi complex. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, that is also one more cell organelle. From this Golgi complex, lysosomes are produced, or so they are also produced from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That endoplasmic reticulum is there, no, cell organelle, that is also unit membrane bound cell organelle. So these lysosomes, they are produced either from Golgi complex or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These lysosomes, they consist of various different types of enzymes. Now, so enzymes, the various different enzymes will be there. These enzymes, the mainly play important role on digestion of the various different types of food particles. The names of the enzymes and food particles, now I will write here. First enzyme name, where it acts, substrate. So first nuclease. Nucleases, enzymes that found in lysosome. This acts on, so substrate, it acts on the one particular the material that is nucleic acids. So this nucleases or nuclease enzyme that will be there in the lysosome that helps to break down of nucleic acids. There are nucleic acids are two types are there, DNA and RNA. These two nucleic acid digested by nucleases. Second, one more enzyme that is the protease. Protease, it is one more enzyme. So we know very well about protease enzyme function. Protease is enzyme acts on proteins, helps to digestion of the proteins. Next, third enzyme, lipases or lipase. The lipases enzyme acts on the mainly lipids. Lipids are digested by lipases. See, once one particular enzyme acts on one particular substrate only, one particular material only, all these the substrates, all these components are digested by various different enzymes. Another enzyme, carbohydrases. So carbohydrases, it is also, so there are different types of carbohydrases enzymes will be there in the lysosome. That carbohydrase enzyme acts on carbohydrates. So mainly these structures, unit membrane bound structure, helps to digestion of the various food particles. All these enzymes, that may be nuclease or protease or lipase or carbohydrases, all these enzymes are hydrolytic enzymes. The enzymes which acts on substrate presence of water, they are known as hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes, they work presence of water only. So all these enzymes are hydrolytic enzymes. So another important point related to this one. So all these enzymes, enzymes are more active at acidic pH. All these enzymes, they helps to break down of food particles, but they are more active at acidic pH. So presence of acidic condition, so they play important role to break down the food particles. Main role of this lysosome, intracellular digestion. Now we'll discuss about so various different types of functions of lysosomes. They perform different functions. The first function, autophagy. Autophagy means the digestion of the food particles. So that is known as autophagy. So if the various different types of food materials whenever enters into the lysosomes, so helps to break down or digestion of the food particle, that is known as autophagy. Another important function, the lysosomes also play important role in heterophagy. Heterophagy, digestion of foreign particles. So foreign particles like viruses, bacteria and fungal spores or fungi, if they enters into the cell, that all those foreign particles are digested by lysosomes. Last important function, they are suicidal bags of the cell. So why these cell organelles are known as suicidal bags of the cell? Under starvation condition, mainly these lysosomes, they releases various enzymes inside the cell. Those enzymes, due to lack of food particles, especially during starvation, so if the food particles are not available, these lysosomes, they releases various enzymes all these enzymes released in the cytoplasm of the cell. All those enzymes, the mainly they digest cell organelles. All cell organelles are digested by different types of enzymes. Due to lack of the food particle, all cell organelles are digested by lysosomes. Due to lack of food particles, ultimately leads to death of the cell. Because of that, they are also called suicidal bags of the